Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to vlog my Friday today. Fridays are usually a little bit like the same for me, but this one's a little bit different because my boyfriend's coming to town. He's coming to visit me from Nashville. And so I'm so excited. So I was like, let me pull out the camera so I can like kind of just show you guys what an exciting Friday for me is. So I just woke up maybe like an hour and a half ago. I'm just trying to fix my room because it's a little messy. I air wrapped my hair yesterday and I wake up looking a little bit greñuda, but it's okay. I already put on sunscreen, lotion, the whole thing. I'm gonna try to put my contacts on after I do my makeup because guys, I have been having an issue with like contacts getting makeup on them. I don't know if you guys struggle with that, but I didn't always have that issue and now I feel like it's like all the time, and sometimes when I'm trying to take off the smudge it rips and then I have to use a whole different contacts, and you know those are not cheap, those are expensive. So I'm trying to be resourceful with my contacts, but again I hate having to clean them so often because there's a smudge on them. Yeah, it's just annoying. I think that's like one thing I miss about having my sister home is that she would help me do the bed because now I have to do my own bed. My hair in a ponytail so we can go to the kitchen because I don't like doing my hair in the kitchen and I don't like eating with my hair down. Like, fun fact about me, I'm trying to like hold the camera not so close to my face. It's really hard. I typically eat breakfast with my mom in the mornings, but let's see what's crackin' lackin'. My parents have a lot of plants in the house because it gets cold and they don't like them to die so easily, so we put them in the house and it looks like we have a forest. This is cinnamon tea, and then my mom made some eggs with spinach and vegetables and then some pork beans. So I'm gonna make myself some breakfast. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I like to drink instead of coffee. I'm not really a huge coffee person. I prefer teas, honestly. They're just easier on my stomach and I'm very sensitive to caffeine. So I get my cup of canela and I put a splash of coffee in it. This is just the one that we have on hand right now. But this one's a little strong in my opinion. Oh. Okay, so like a splash, maybe like a tablespoon, just so I can get the aroma. This reminds me of my grandma because she would always make coffee with cinnamon tea and a good bit of creamer. I like creamer, so, and there you go. So yummy. And then if it's not sweet enough, I'll probably put some honey in it, but I don't think so. So there you go. And I'll put some avocado on it too, and it'll taste really yummy. I love some avocado. Wait, let's try it out. Ah, so good. I don't think it needs any honey. It tastes so good. So I'm not trying to get sick, so this is what I try to take every day. This is like an immunity boost shot, and it tastes so spicy because there's ginger in it and turmeric, but it's so good for you, and it's just a shot. I'm like, if I can take a shot of tequila, I can take this. So, and then I also take a vitamin from One Day. I really want to try like the vitamins that everyone is sponsored by on YouTube. I forgot the name of them, but those look so nice because they're like all like see-through and like they're all about being not too strong on the stomach, because like if you take this one without food, your stomach will hurt, like you feel nauseous. But this is what I have on hand, so I'm gonna take it and my shot of turmeric and ginger. This is just water. Okay, now we eat. Okay, so I finished breakfast and I'm just gonna clean up the kitchen because it's a little messy. But I'm watching the new Mexico Delicious Bites new show on Netflix. If you guys are Hispanic, or if not and you are interested in the culture of Mexico, definitely watch that show. I'm on the second episode and it's about chips. So that's what I'm watching right now. So I'm gonna finish all of this while I watch an episode of that show.
Cerdo y tripa. Y su toque especial. Bien en
Okay, so one thing that we do at my house is we, how do you say, compost our veggies or anything like eggs, stuff for the ground just to get all the nutrients. We've been doing this for a really, really long time, and this is what I do. I literally just bring it to our little garden. My dad loves to garden. He likes to plant different things like jalapenos. At times, stuff that we throw out here literally starts growing on its own. So anything como las cáscaras de aguacate, piña, papaya, like anything that we eat, honestly, that's like vegetable or fruit wise. But yeah, this is like my little chore that we do, because if you don't take this out often, flies, like fruit flies, will start gathering up and it's really weird. It's kind of chilly outside, but look how pretty the pool looks. I always forget that I have a pool because like I don't really go in it. Obviously not right now, but it's really nice in the summer just to hang out over here. But yeah, that's my little chore.
G,
What?
what time is he getting here?
My package?
Yeah.
It was supposed to be a surprise. Why didn't he tell everyone?
¿Cuál surprise para quién, hombre?
Oh, is he coming? It's only a surprise for you. This is a surprise for me! Is Andrew coming?
No.
Yes.
¿No me invitas a hacer ejercicio? Sí.
Yeah?
Sale
I'll pay for a this time. Like what, in the evening?
Yeah, he'll be getting around like 9, 8. Well, I don't know, because he's getting his car cleaned right now. Yay! Okay guys, sorry about all the cleaning. I hope that I didn't bore you guys. Okay, so sorry about the lighting and sorry about all the cleaning. I'm just trying to clean up the house before Adrian gets here, because that's my boyfriend's name, by the way, Adrian. I've never really put him on here before, so I don't know how he'll like react on camera. I put him on one video, but it was like a vlog from like a long time ago. Anyways, oh my god, my hair got tangled. But yeah, the house was a little bit messy, so I had to make sure everything looked decent. And now I have to get ready because I literally have to be at work in 2 minutes, but that's not gonna happen. So I'm usually on time, okay guys? Like, don't think bad about me. I'm just gonna quickly do my makeup. And it's really cold, so that's why I'm wearing a turtleneck. I would never wear a turtleneck to work, but it's kind of thin. Like, it's not too thick material. So let me get ready. Okay guys, so I'm done with my makeup. I literally try to do very simple makeup. I'm gonna clean that up, don't worry. I'm gonna do my hair and then I'll try to vlog at the restaurant, but I cannot promise you much because it's Friday and it's really busy on Friday, but yes. And oh, I'm gonna put earrings on, don't worry. And for choice of perfume, I'm gonna put on this one by Alien Goddess by Mugler. It smells so good. Okay. And this is the deodorant. You guys already know, this is my favorite. And as for earrings, some chunky little gold tubes. Alright, off to work. Okay, walking to work.
Hola, Gigi.
Hola, buenas tardes.
Yeah.
Hey guys, this is my friend from work.
Hey.
Oh my gosh. Hi guys, so I just got not busy at the restaurant and look who came. It's my boyfriend. And now I'm just cleaning menus.
Can you see me?
A little bit. No quieres algo. Eres penoso, right? Me puse a trabajar. Okay guys, so I just got out of work and I'm really tired and it's freezing. It's literally 46, but the wind is out of this world. I'm gonna just end the vlog here. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing my life. My life isn't really interesting, but I hope that you guys just like to see like the real everyday life of Giselle. Let me know in the comments and give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!